today we will discuss about the Freundlich equation isotherm from surface chemistry. Isotherm is the graph plotted when therm means temperature, iso means constant or same. When temperature remain same. Beta, if temperature remains same, we will plot a graph between rate of adsorption of gas on the surface of adsorbent. That means it is the amount of gas adsorbed per gram of adsorbent versus pressure temperature remain constant. Temperature remain constant. Initially, when whole surface of the adsorbent, when whole surface of the adsorbent is empty and we apply pressure on the gas to which adsorb on the surface, rate of adsorption increase. Rate of adsorption increase. When whole surface is covered by that gas or adsorbed by this gas, then rate of adsorption slightly decrease and then remain constant. It is the maximum pressure. It is the maximum pressure where gas will completely adsorb on the surface of adsorbent. Beta, this curve is known as isotherm. This curve is known as isotherm. That means the curve is obtained at constant temperature. Freundlich equation isotherm tell us about the rate of adsorption of gas at variable pressure but temperature remain constant. Beta, initially rate of adsorption of gas on the surface of adsorbent is directly proportional to pressure applied on that gas, and after maximum pressure, maximum adsorption, if we increase the pressure, rate of adsorption does not increase, it remains constant. That means rate of adsorption at maximum pressure does not depend upon the pressure. We increase the pressure but rate of adsorption does not change. That means it does not depend upon the pressure. But in this condition, when rate of adsorption increase but this increase is very slow, rate of adsorption maximum increase, then remain constant. This is the area where rate of adsorption is very slow. Then what will happen, the rate of adsorption with respect to pressure? Beta, rate of adsorption at this point is depend upon pressure in fractions 1 by n. According to Freundlich equation isotherm, at low pressure, rate of adsorption is directly proportional to the pressure applied on that gas. As much as pressure increase, rate of adsorption of gas increase. Beta, x amount of gas adsorbed and m mass of adsorbent that would be taken for the adsorption of gas, and this mass is in gram. Beta, P is the pressure applied on the gas. This is beta, when this sign of constant is removed by using the term K. K is the constant of proportionality. K is the constant of proportionality. K is the constant of proportionality. Then at very high pressure, rate of adsorption does not depend upon pressure. Rate of adsorption does not depend upon the pressure. If we increase the pressure, rate of adsorption remains same. That means it does not depend upon the pressure applied. This is the Kp note. Beta, at a low pressure, at high pressure, number of scientists explain. The before Freundlich graph is just like this. First of all increase and then remain constant. Freundlich first time explained this slow increase. Freundlich first time said it is not the graph that first increase and then constant. A stage is come at moderate pressure where rate of adsorption increase, but that increase is very slow. This one at moderate pressure, beta, at moderate pressure, moderate और middle pressure भी कह सकते हो. At moderate pressure, rate of adsorption of gas on the surface of adsorbent is directly proportional to the P power 1 by n. Value of n is infinity. Beta, value of n is infinity. If we put the value of n infinity, the value of 1 by n exists between 0 to 1. 1 by n exists between 0 to 1. X by m is equal to K. P power 1 by n is known as Freundlich equation isotherm. Beta, this is not Freundlich equation isotherm. This also is not Freundlich equation isotherm. This is only called Freundlich equation isotherm. This is only. Now, to elaborate this phenomena, this graph is straight line or not? Taking log, natural log of equation 3. X by m directly proportional to P1, that is 1. P0 to second equation, and this one is the third equation. Taking natural log on both sides of equation 3. With the natural log of x by m is equal to k natural log of k p 1 by n natural log of k plus into ln into means plus natural log of p power, it is in multiplication. Removing ln by 2.303 log x by m is equal to 2.303 log of k plus 1 by n log of p, and 1 is multiplied by 2.303. Beta, this is cancelled out because it is in denominator on both sides, and our answer is log of x by m is equal to log of k plus 1 by n log of p. It is our linear equation isotherm. Beta, it is our linear equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. According to this equation, if we plot a graph, that along y-axis log of x by m, along x-axis log of P, pressure. Beta, we have intercept, so answer is not start from 0, just above the 0. It is intercept. Log of k. And beta, we have slope 1 by n and slope is positive. That means it will increase to give straight line curve. This is our slope. Slope is 1 by n. For gaseous state, we represent this equation in terms of pressure. But if we do not have gas that will be absorbed, we have solution that will be absorbed. For example, litmus solution is shake with charcoal. The color of litmus will be disappear. It become colorless because coloring substance, coloring matter of litmus will be absorbed on charcoal. If coloring matter is removed, solution become colorless. It is best one. How you represent the Freundlich equation for that? Beta, in place of P, we will use C. C for concentration. For gases, we will use pressure. Otherwise, we will use concentration. Then our equation is x by m directly proportional to concentration 1 by n. That is Freundlich equation isotherm. And solved in the same manner, your answer is log of x by m is equal to log of k plus 1 by n log of concentration. It is our linear equation. In place of P, we will use C for concentration, molar concentration. Thank you, beta.